Truth. ESAB made welding history. We invented the coated welding electrode, TIG welding, and MIG welding. We made the largest piece of welding equipment the world's ever seen. And then, we made this, Rebel, the go-anywhere, weld-anything machine that redefines portable industrial welding. More truth? It runs on 120 or 230, and even off a generator. It can go here, here, here. No, not there. Rebel runs every process like it was born to, and at a level that'll make you a multi-process believer. It has SMIG, welding technology that focus groups said was not possible. Nope, no way. Yes, possible. With built-in arc control that constantly monitors your weld and adapts for superior, repeatable welds. It has a huge screen, because size does matter. It's rugged. Yeah, that rugged. You can take it anywhere, and it can take a beating. And it all comes back with a rock-solid handle-to-handle 3-year warranty. The truth is, this machine has everything you want, because you asked for it. ESAB used insight from welders like you to make Rebel the true total package. Now that you know the truth, take the dare. Pick up the most incredible go-anywhere, weld-anything machine, Rebel. Visit esab.com/rebel today.